Have you ever stared at a blank page for 3 hours and thought, yep, my brain is officially empty? Good news, you're not broken. You're just human. And better news? I'm about to show you how to come up with creative ideas, even if the most creative thing you've done is name your Wi-Fi FBI surveillance van. Step 1. Stop trying to be original. I know, sounds weird, but hear me out. You don't need to invent a new color or write the next Harry Potter. Most creative ideas are just old ideas with a fun twist. Think about pizza. It's just bread, cheese, and sauce. Boom, global success. Add pineapple? Controversial masterpiece. The point? Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Just slap some glitter on it. Step 2. Write down the dumb stuff. You know those silly thoughts that pop into your head and you instantly delete them like, no, that's stupid. Stop doing that. Write them down. Some of the best ideas sound ridiculous at first. Like someone once said, hey, what if we made a chair, but it moves, and we call it a car? Bet people laughed. Who's laughing now? Toyota. Step 3. Binge your boredom. You're not bored enough, seriously. The best ideas come when your brain is quiet. In the shower, on a walk, on the toilet. Don't lie, we've all had a light bulb moment there. Put your phone down, be bored, let your brain wander. That's where the magic happens. Step 4. Steal like an artist. Not actual stealing. I'm not sending you to jail. I mean, look at things you love and ask, how can I use this in my own way? Every musician is inspired by another musician. Every writer has a favorite writer. It's like creative recycling. Just make it yours. Step 5. Use the what if trick. This is my favorite brain hack. Just ask, what if? And go wild. What if dogs could talk? What if plants had Wi-Fi? What if your fridge judged your midnight snacks out loud? Boom. That's a cartoon, a book, a comedy sketch, right there. The dumber it sounds, the better. Trust the chaos. Step 6. Change your scenery. If your brain feels stuck, it's probably tired of staring at the same 4 walls. Go outside. Go to a coffee shop. Sit upside down if you must. A new environment gives your brain new inputs, like opening new tabs in your mind, without crashing your mental browser. Step 7. Set a timer and go crazy. Give yourself 10 minutes, write down anything. No filter, no judgment. Even if it's banana sandwich, but make it emotional. It's like cleaning out your brain junk drawer. The first few ideas will be trash, but idea number 14 might be the last idea you would ever require. Step 8. Talk to weird people. Not dangerously weird, just people who think differently. A 5-year-old, a grandparent, that one friend who's always building something random. They'll say stuff that makes you go, wait, what? That's where ideas are born. Step 9. Keep an idea dump. Not a literal dump, just a place where you dump all your random thoughts. Use your phone, a notebook, a napkin, whatever. Your brain is a chaotic place. Don't trust it to remember anything. Write it all down, even the stuff that makes no sense. Someday it will make sense. Step 10. Stop waiting for the perfect idea. Perfection is the enemy of creativity. Don't wait until you have the best idea. Start with the okay one. Work on it. Twist it. Break it. Rebuild it. Every idea starts out ugly, like a potato. But with a little seasoning, you get fries. Everyone loves fries. So no, you don't have to be a creative person to have creative ideas. You just need to give your brain a little space, a little chaos, and maybe a little coffee. Remember, creativity isn't magic. It's just practice, play, and giving yourself permission to be weird. Now go out there and make something awesome. Or at least weird. Weird is a great start.